In the rapidly evolving economic landscape of 2025, side hustles have become a staple for individuals seeking to bolster their income streams and achieve financial independence. As traditional job markets face fluctuations, the concept of generating supplementary income through innovative channels is gaining unprecedented traction. This narrative explores the hottest side hustles to try in 2025, backed by expert insights and market trends. As we delve into the trendiest money-making opportunities, the gig economy emerges as a primary vehicle for these side hustles. The gig economy, characterized by short-term contracts and freelance work, continues to expand, offering unparalleled flexibility and diverse opportunities for income generation. One of the most promising side hustles this year is involvement in the creator economy. With the rise of platforms like Patreon, Substack, and TikTok, creators are capitalizing on their skills to build substantial revenue streams. Whether your talent lies in writing, art, music, or video production, there is a niche market eager for diverse, authentic content. By cultivating a personal brand and leveraging social media influencers' ever-growing impact, you can transform creativity into a profitable endeavor. Next, smart shopping and reselling have gained momentum. Platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and Etsy are buzzing with entrepreneurial activity as individuals buy and sell products online. Thrifting, refurbishing, and reselling fashion trends can yield significant returns. Moreover, the practice of dropshipping, where products are sold without maintaining inventory, has become a viable method for earning extra income with minimal risk. The tech sector continues to offer lucrative side hustle opportunities, especially for those with coding skills. Remote tech support and freelance programming allow tech-savvy individuals to monetize their expertise without traditional barriers. Furthermore, the technology consulting realm, where professionals offer advice on software, security, and cloud services, is experiencing a surge in demand. Non-tech savvy individuals are finding success in the gig economy by offering delivery services. In 2025, the food delivery market is more robust than ever, with multiple apps providing opportunities to earn through flexible schedules. This element of the gig economy not only offers autonomy over working hours, but also satisfies the growing consumer craving for convenient, door-to-door delivery services. Another emerging trend is participating in online surveys and focus groups for cash. While not as high-yielding as other ventures, it allows individuals with limited time to engage with companies seeking consumer opinions, thus earning money in their spare moments. Finally, personal finance advising is a burgeoning field as more individuals seek guidance in organizing their finances amid economic unpredictability. For those with expertise in financial planning and investment, offering freelance financial consultations can be both personally rewarding and financially lucrative. These side hustles underscore the shifting dynamics of the modern workforce and the increasing importance of financial flexibility. By tapping into these trends early, individuals can achieve greater economic security and thrive in an unpredictable future. In conclusion, the potential to earn extra cash while pursuing interests and honing skills makes side hustles an attractive endeavor for many in 2025. Now it's your turn. Which of these 2025 side hustles are you trying first? Thinking Face, drop a comment with your pick.